Uddiyana Bandha in yoga. And this is hypopressive. What is the difference? I will let you know later. Hello everybody. Today you're going to learn about what is hypopressive and what is Uddiyana Bandha. So many people think that hypopressive and Uddiyana is the same, but hypopressive and Uddiyana are very different. In hypopressive, I'm going to tell you here what are the differences. Hypopressive is a sequence of postures with breathing techniques to open the rib cage. These postures are going to help to improve the posture. It's going to reduce the tension in the back. It's going to improve the abdominal tone and the pelvic tone muscle. It's going to improve the lung capacity. It's going, has multiple benefits. Now with Uddiyana Bandha, they use just one posture. Another thing in hypopressive, you can do a sitting, a standing, lying down, kneeling, squatting, rolling. That's hypopressive. In Uddiyana Bandha, it's just one posture. Standing for the beginners and sitting for the more advanced. Another thing, in hypopressive, you do it for 20-25 minutes and you activate the sympathetic system. That means that your heart rate goes up. That means that you sweat. It's a cardio. When Uddiyana Bandha, you just do it maybe 3-4 times, and after that you are done, and you activate the parasympathetic system. That is why they're so different. So I'm going to show you how do you do hypopressive. In hypopressive, you're thinking about how is my neck, the posture of my neck, my shoulders, my back, my position of the feet. Everything has to be perfect. In Uddiyana Bandha, just put your hands on your knees, lean forward, and you start working on the breathing. So let's go. I'm going to demonstrate first how is Uddiyana Bandha. So you are going to be sitting, right, or standing, and for if you're beginners, and you are going to lean forward. Actually, they put just the hands here, and then you inhale deep. I forgot another difference is in Uddiyana Bandha you massage your organs. Hypopressive, we don't do that. Okay, let's do this. Inhale, exhale, and now Uddiyana Bandha. That is Uddiyana Bandha. I'm going to show you from this way so you can see it better. So you hope you can see it. I'm going to talk here. I massage my organs. Uddiyana Bandha, they have multiple benefits, When you do Uddiyana Bandha, you open your chakra, your heart chakra, and that helps you to become more compassionate, more patient, more kind. Also, you activate the solar plexus or the third chakra, and that helps you to have power in life, to have a good self-esteem, to have a better relationship with others. And also, that help you with digestion, they help you to release stress. Because they say in yoga, when you stop that breathing, your mind stops. It's the stillness of the mind. And that is what yoga is all about. So imagine an hypopressive. If you do both, how amazing benefits are you going to get for your health? How amazing benefits you're going to get for your spiritual well-being, to also to have a better social life, being more confident. So I could say do both. They're both great. And when you do hypopressive, so you focus in posture, so you make sure that, I'm sorry, Marilu, you do double chin. Right? Very important, double chin. So then, so that you make sure that your shoulders are not like this, like when you wear like that sometimes in the computer, so no, they have to be back. And you bring your arms back. Make sure you know that we have the scapulas here, they have to be apart. So to make the scapulas going apart of the shoulder blades, you have to rotate your arms. That is why we do that in a hypopressive. In Uddiyana Bandha, you don't do that. You rotate to separate the scapula. That is why you work so hard the postural muscles. And when you rotate and you change the position of your hands, you are opening the rib cage, activating one muscle that has 3 or insertions. So when you do that, you will see how the rib cage open. And the main thing in hypopressive is to be able to open the rib cage. When you open the rib cage, what is happening? The diaphragm stretch out in a good way. And what is happening? The organs are going to have room to go up, and the pelvic floor muscle is going to be able to contract without the pressure of the organs. So, like I told you, hypopressive you can do in any position. So if you are sitting, right? So I will show you. If you are sitting, so we first we fix our posture. Make sure that the posture you have the perfect alignment. And you are going to keep your back in a good alignment. Focus on this one, okay? Because when you align your neck, your back is going to do the opposite movement. So we focus in this one. Imagine that you're going to the doctor and they say, okay, make yourself taller, I'm going to see how tall you are. So you do this. So imagine that someone is pulling you from your hair, like this. Okay? That, and hold it like that. And then the shoulders are back, you're going to bring it, forward, they're going to go back. And from there, you're going to, very important, to be with the legs bent like this, okay? That helps you to keep your lower back in neutral. And the activation of this one, because we have muscles in the back, we hypopressive focus in postural reeducation and stretching the muscles that keep our posture upright. So when we are doing this movement, we are really focusing in activating those postural muscles. So in Uddiyana Bandha, we don't worry about the feel like that. So that is why I said they're very different. Okay, so let's go with this posture. So you're going to put your hands at your eye level. Imagine that someone is pulling your elbows out. And then you're going to inhale, expand your abdominal muscle, exhale. And then you do the apnea. And then inhale and exhale. Okay, so this is what is hypopressive and what is Uddiyana. They are different. But they are very good for you. Something that is also similar is that it's better to do hypopressive and Uddiyana in an empty stomach. And the best thing is to make sure that you're doing this practice with someone that is certified, someone that knows what to do. Remember, hypopressive and also Uddiyana, you don't do it if you have a past medical history of high blood pressure. If you are pregnant, it's better to look for an expert because you can do hypopressive but with modifications. And Uddiyana Bandha, better not to do it during pregnancy. Also, if you have a recent abdominal surgery, better not to do hypopressive or Uddiyana Bandha, but you can go with an expert and make modifications. And the other thing, if you have thyroid problems too, like I said, everything with modification is right if you are with the expert in these techniques, because you want always to be safe. It's always better to be safe than sorry, you know, but the benefits are amazing, and they're amazing for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope this clarifies your doubts and your questions about hypopressive and Uddiyana, that they are not the same, but they complement each other, and you can do an amazing workout for your abdominal muscles, because both make your abdominal muscles stronger and make the waist smaller, and it's an excellent workout for your core. So yes, keep doing it, why not? And also help you in yoga. They say they help you to be youthful. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon. I am posting videos more often now, and I'm here to help you. And don't forget to look at my website. I'm offering one free video in hypopressive, so you will know what is that, what I am talking about. If you did yoga before, hypopressive will be easy for you to learn. And if you did hypopressive, Uddiyana Bandha will be easier to learn. Please write any questions. I love questions. I love to answer questions. I am a doctor of physical therapy. If something is bothering you, I'm here to help you too. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. Big hug to all of you, and see you very soon with another video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mwah.